Create a golf pitch in Microsoft PowerPoint.
So to create the golf page, you first delete this one. You draw your rectangle to cover the whole slide ratio. You change this one to the color. You remove the outline. Then you draw another rectangle of this size. You can choose something like this. You remove the color, the outline color. Then you can press Ctrl D to duplicate the shape and now position it how you want it to be. Then you can continue pressing Ctrl D to be giving you the same measurement like that. So let us you select all these this shape together and you group them. This is group. You can adjust if you like. You can adjust. You can come to this place, align to center it to your page. So then you right click on it. Right click. You format the page, the shape. This is your fill. You come to solid and you now apply transparency. You apply transparency. Then this one you change the color back. Yeah, so change the color back to this. Now we can have the perfect. So once you are okay with what you are getting, you leave it. You can close this one. We are through with that. So let us draw the peg. The hole where the peg will enter. So and the pole. So you come to the insert. You click on shape. You draw the same thing. Let us put it around this side. Let us do this. Yeah. Then you change the fill color to white. Let's change it to white. Then the outline, we change it to no outline. So we want this top to be kind of round. We don't want it to be like sharp or be like this. Sharp edge like this. So you can come to edit here. Don't forget under the shape format, you come to edit. You can click on edit shape, edit point. So here, drag this one a little. We have this one. You can pull this one up, then drag this one a little downward. Something like this. So when if you are okay with that, you can just leave it. Let's leave it. So then let us draw a triangle just to get the flag shape. A triangle, something like this. Then we have to rotate it like this. You can press your Ctrl key so that you can get a perfect rotation. So you place it. Let us drag this one like this. Let's drag like this. Then this yellow circle, you can use it to change the direction of your triangle. If you don't want it to be the size to be like this, you can just reshape it. Then let us change the color. So you right click again, go to format shape. So we have let's go for gradient fill. So I'm using this gradient fill. I'm using this one, you can see. Then I have to remove the outline. Let us remove the outline from this place. So you can remove the outline. So and yeah, if you are okay with that, you can leave it like that. So and if we can also decide to change the color, let's say we can also use something like red, a red color, something like this, and then choose something darker here, something darker here. So you can have something like this. So it depends on our own choice, and we need to draw that hole where the round peg will enter. So you come to insert again this shape, you take your circle, then you can draw something like this. So let us change the color. We have the field color here, we can change it to something like this. Okay, then outline, we change the outline to, let's say, something like this. Then you have to make it thicker. That outline has to be, we change the weight, that line, let's say something like this. So we have the page, so you can adjust this depending to your own taste. You can adjust it to your own taste, how you feel it should be. So that is let us increase this one a little. Let's have something like this. Yeah, I think this is better. So now we have our pitch, and with the shape, we can, let's put it on the side. Yeah,